Hey you guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing a 0 to 100 transformation on my hair and this makeup look just because I got some new makeup. So I was like, let me put it to the test. So if you want to see how I got it, keep watching. So I've already done my first eye and I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape in medium sand. And I'm just going to put that over my eye just to make sure that the eyeshadow stays good and in place and doesn't crease throughout the day. Now I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm going in this brown shade called Pooter right in my crease for a transition shade. You always want to start off with that for your makeup looks. Now I'm going in with this deep plum shade called Chip into my inner and outer corners, kind of like a halo. Now I'm just going through and going to blend that out. Now I'm taking the shade Buns and I'm putting that in my outer corner right near that plum shade we just did and just going to blend that up into my crease. Now I'm taking the color Beam and this is a shimmery cream color and I'm putting that in the middle between the halo and I'm just going to pack that on. Now I'm taking some more of Pooter and just going back and putting that on Beam and just gonna blend that throughout the eye. I wanted just a little bit more shimmer and shine and a pop of color, so I just added some more Beam with my finger and that made it a lot more vibrant. Now I'm taking the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. This is my favorite. It makes my lashes look so long and I only do one coat and it looks very natural. I'm using the POREfessional by Benefit just to prime my face. I'm going in with Tarte's Shape Tape in medium sand for my face. This is my first time using a high-end concealer and I can see all the hype. I actually love this. It matches perfect and it doesn't crease over the hours throughout the day at all. And it also is very creamy and it goes a long way. So 4 dots you can see is covering basically my whole face. Now I'm taking the Wet n Wild Cream Contour and I'm just putting that on my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline. I'm taking this Wet n Wild Contour Highlight Palette and I'm just going to set my concealer. Now I'm using this LA Girl Brow Pencil in Brunette and I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm taking this brow gel just to set them down. I'm taking the Wet n Wild Cream Highlight Stick and I'm just going to put that on all the places that need to be highlighted. Y'all know I stay with my clear lip gloss, so that's what I'm going to do to finish out this look. Just put on some gloss and call it a day. Lastly, I'm taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and I've been loving this. You need like 2 to 3 sprays and it stays on all day and your makeup does not move. Now onto the hair. So I'm using the color 8 in the Amar Silky Jumbo Hair and this is what matches me perfectly. It's super hard for me to find my color. So what I did was I took the hair and put some flexi rods on it and then you want to boil it because any heat will curl the hair since it is fake. Next I'm going to take this hair down. It's a hot mess. It's literally 6-day hair. It's been in the bun for the past 2 days so a lot of the curl is gone, but we're going to solve that today. So I'm just going to part it off and basically do a slick ponytail. So now I'm just going to start spraying it down with water and then I'm going to take my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Mousse and I like this better than gel because it does not flake and I'm just going to put that on my part and start slicking it down. So once that's all slicked down with the brush, I'm just going to take my scrunchie and tie it around 3 times because you want to make sure it's pretty tight for this style. So now that that's good, I'm just going to take my hair and twist it all up and make a little bun. I'm going to secure that with a rubber band and just make sure it's pretty tight. So here's what the hair looks like out of the rods. It's a super pretty curl. So what I'm going to do is I took a hair tie and I put it around the hair. Now I'm just going to tie that around the bun, which this part can be difficult because my bun is super big because my hair is thick, so it's kind of hard, but this was the best way I found. It worked. So you're just going to move all the hair over top the bun. Now I'm just going to start separating some of the curls just to give a little bit more volume because I love big hair. So I'm just going to take the curl where it separates and just separate it. So now any ends that I see are frayed or just are frizzy, I'm going to take these shears, scissors, whatever you want to call it, and cut the hair. And you want to make sure you don't use professional scissors, that you just use regular house scissors because the dual hair can ruin your professional shears if you have those. Now I'm just taking a piece of the hair and I'm going to wrap it around the base of my bun and back around a few times just to make sure it's pretty secure and that it doesn't just separate throughout the day. I'm going to secure that with a bobby pin. Just make sure it's in there nice and tight. And here's how the back looks. You can't really tell. Now I'm going to do my edges and take this Lotta Body Edge Control. This has been my favorite one because gel just flakes too much. And I'm just taking the mini comb on this edge brush and you know what to do. Now I'm taking this Shea Moisture Jamaican castor oil and just rubbing that on the ends where it's a tiny bit frizzy, but I kind of like the frizzy look because I feel like it looks more natural than perfect little curls. Here's the final look. It's super easy, super cute, and you can wear this anywhere. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Love you all. Bye. Maybe it's